Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 4-hour chart, pullback, whipsaw pattern. I'm going to talk more about this in just a second. Before we jump into this Bitcoin analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. I got some good altcoin setups for you today. I want to remind you, $500 Bitcoin giveaway in 6 days. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period, give away $500 in Bitcoin. Easy money. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So previously Bitcoin broke above this key resistance level, which is now support. So the bulls definitely need to put in a bounce here. A break above this level around 59,450 would potentially lead to some upside continuation to the all-time high. When Bitcoin breaks all-time high, we're looking for $70,000 Bitcoin after that. Now, there's a short-term bearish scenario that is in the cards. I mean, if you do get some downside continuation down here, and then a bounce and a pullback. I mean, you have to remember that, Bitcoin was putting in lower highs and lower lows right here, right? Everything changed with this is a higher high. Now, if it puts in a higher low, still bullish, right? Still bullish. And this would give us kind of this inverse head and shoulders type pattern. Okay, so if you're looking for entry on Bitcoin, any type of pullback down into this area would be a good buying opportunity based on this idea, because it would essentially, you're buying the corrective move, right? Impulse wave correction, impulse wave correction, impulse. That's just how this price action moves. All right. I mean, you got a possible bearish MACD cross. Looks like the stochastic on the 4-hour is still pointed down. So all eyes on Bitcoin right here. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a setup. Again, this is a bull flag setup that I posted. You got your breakout to the upside, breakout to the upside, another bull flag, breakout to the upside, and then all of a sudden, everything just dumped as soon as it, perfectly hit this level. Everything dumped. And if you notice how this pattern, this is called a whipsaw pattern, right? And essentially, over-leveraged longs and shorts get completely wrecked when this happens. So on the RSI, 15-minute chart looks decent. I mean, as far as double bottom RSI, and the move higher. But again, bulls have some work to do to push this price above this resistance level here. All eyes on Bitcoin right now. I've got some amazing shout out to my trading group. This is pretty epic. I can't even tell you. Like, this gentleman came in the group and he's never traded at all. And by far, this is percentage-wise, this is the most profitable trader in the group by far, right? So he says, check out this number. He's up 40,000%. Like, I got all these learning videos, like 48 learning videos in a playlist, right? They're epic. And a lot of times people try to skip them. I'm like, I promise you, like, it's magic what these videos are capable of. And I had to make him watch these videos. He watched the videos. He's become an epic trader. And he was up since June of 2020. Since June of 2020, he's up 40,000%. He 400x'd his money. He's up $218,000. He started with, if you do the math on this, under $1,000, right? I mean, I can't even tell you how proud I am of this person. Shout out to Darren. He put $500 into One Harmony last year because, he's now worth $22,000. Keyword, patience. Shout out to Brandon. He says, been trading a month. And he was down $1,000. Now he's up $3,000 thanks to me. Amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes, period. I can teach you everything you need to know about trading this market, and I make it simple. These are all brand new traders. These are not veterans. They've never traded before. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable setups for the entire bull market. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. This altcoin season that's about to come is going to be epic. I hope you guys are ready. Here's some recent winners we had in the group. So this was posted March the 8th. ARPA up 148% profits. Took 22 days. This is ARPA, big picture zoomed out just for you guys, right? You got this, it's quite possible you get this rounded bottom. If rounded bottoms pay the bills, double rounded bottoms, man, it's over with. Life-changing money. But it's important to stay grounded. You got a golden cross coming on the daily here, right? Golden cross coming. The RSI is overbought. Like, I want to see a pullback. I want to see some type of some pullback or flag pennant, some long-term consolidation just to give ARPA a little bit of a break, a little bit of a cool off. The bottom line is, though, if this pulls back, there's some bearish divergence here, right? So this would be a good coin to pick up on a pullback. And or if it pumps, the bulls, they have to show up and they have to pump this price. You got to zoom in. This is a daily chart, right? Zoom in. There's a rising wedge that's being printed right now for ARPA. If it breaks higher, it's going parabolic, right? On the 1 hour time frame, right? And this needs to happen if the bulls have to pump ARPA's price to ensure that it essentially doesn't break to the downside and get a significant pullback. Wing BTC up 46%. In 12 hours. Huge. 46% gains. 528% profits in 1 month out of audio. This thing was epic. Talked about this on Screen Share. Boom. Moon Mission. This is ICX. You guys remember this? ICX icon. Here's your targets over here. Long consolidation I mentioned. Now this is YouTube, right? You guys remember? 26,500 people saw this. 26,000 people saw this. This is on the 27th. This is 4 days ago. ICX 40% profits in 4 days. Boom. Let's go. $3 ICX. Huge. Bitcoin price history per halving epoch. So here we are. You can see back here, the first halving, huge run up, pullback. Then it started again. Huge run up, pullback. Then it started again. Huge run up, pullback, and again. Here we are in the beginning, huge run up. Let's go. Where are we going? $300,000 Bitcoin sounded crazy. $100,000 Bitcoin sounded crazy. Man, if we get somewhere in this range, that's what's happening here. Like, if you can imagine somewhere in this range, it's been happening previous halvings. So all eyes on Bitcoin. Let's go. The cumulative value transacted on the Bitcoin network, $4 trillion since the creation of Bitcoin. Big money. LIT says, get ready for our very own Pokepet NFT coming on Friday. It's on fire. An eye on Lit. Helium, HNT. They said, we're excited that users of the People's Network can now connect, deliver, and monetize Internet of Things data via Streamer. So they've got a partnership with Streamer. Helium and Streamer working together. This is the alt season index. Listen, next month is about to be crazy. And I'm about to show you this chart, alt perp. Here's why. So this is a bullish pennant. This is a basket. This is a basket of altcoins. Ethereum, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, Litecoin, XRP, Tron, DOT, Link, ADA. Altcoins look bullish in April. Bitcoin looks bullish in April. This is a bull pennant. This is a bull pennant. When this thing breaks higher, I mean, essentially targets just on here. I mean, you could see 40 to 60% gains on this basket of coins. These are larger caps too. I mean, if these do 40% gains, what are the small caps and mid caps that we trade going to do? Gosh, it's going to be epic. Alt season index, huge. So Near came out, and the gentleman's from Near. He said something big is near. And a lot of people are speculating that Near could be added to Coinbase. Anyways, Near was pumping on this idea. Balancer version 2 is coming in April. Balancer. Guys, write down all this stuff on a notepad. There's no way. You guys probably watch 20 YouTube videos a day. Make notes. Get a whiteboard. Get organized. Write down everything that you learn on YouTube on a daily basis, right? These dates are epic. They're huge. Like, you get run-ups up into these, something like version 2 Balancer Labs. Like, all these ideas I talked to you about. The herd buys these ideas, right? But the key is we're traders. We're wolves. We take profits. You got to take your money before somebody else does. Take profits. Take your profits before somebody else takes your profits. That's how this market works. You don't lose money in this market. Other people take your money, period. CZ comes out, shilling BNB, rightfully so. I mean, he created it, essentially, right? So, I mean, if you're going to shill something, shill yourself. I think I saw a number above 300. And so I talked to you guys about BNB yesterday, actually in 2 videos. I talked to you guys about this idea where Cake and BNB could be tied together and moving together. And you can see, this is from last night. I took the screenshot. Cake and BNB were both up, double digits. So, and that's from yesterday's video. I had these 2 setups. So shout out to you guys who got into these. Goldman Sachs, game changer. They look to offer Bitcoin investment vehicles in the second quarter. Banks jumping in. Goldman Sachs. Also, other crypto investment vehicles as well. Private wealth management clients are going to be targeted. Let's go. Bitcoin. Huge. Chipotle is giving away $100,000 in Bitcoin. Now, they're not accepting it, but they're sure giving away $100,000 worth on National Burrito Day. I got to step my game up. However, that $500 Bitcoin giveaway is going to be sweet. So make sure subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment in the comment box. Now, look, March is typically a bad month for Bitcoin, right? We're going from one of the worst months for Bitcoin to one of the top months for Bitcoin. Okay? So, I mean, I'm telling you guys, I hope you're ready. Hope you're ready for what's about to happen in April. Bitcoin flash crash. Wake up and you're like, what the heck happened here? You look at Bitcoin's chart, $2,000 lost in 5 minutes. Well, here's why. So $600 million in longs were liquidated. Listen, everybody was long. When everybody is long, guess what happens? Pullback. A flash crash on short time frames. Business as usual. This is a whipsaw pattern. You get this crazy price. Over-leveraged longs and shorts get liquidated when this happens. Like, this market is manipulated. It's not nearly as big by market cap as it will be in the future. And it's not really regulated, right? It's a Wild West. And so here we are, whipsaw pattern. See, move to the upside, huge dump, and now it's trying to put in some upside continuation. GRT. So write this down. I don't have a date on this yet. I'll work on it. A lot of times they're end of the month, but this is April. GRT is the first subgraphs are going to be migrating to the mainnet next month. So they say, hey, what Google does for the web, GRT does for blockchains. So keep an eye. I gave you guys a GRT setup a day or 2 ago, so make sure to watch that video. GRT has some upside. It had broken out when I gave you guys a setup, but I haven't looked at it since this Bitcoin pullback. So check out GRT's chart. Now, Bella. I'm trying to get you guys these setups, trying to get this video out. Everything's happening crazy this morning. Everything starts moving. Bella BTC. So I posted this in the trading group yesterday. Bella BTC. This is a complex inverse head and shoulders. You get double shoulders, head, double shoulders, right? Very bullish technical pattern. Very bullish. Bella has a lot of upside based on this idea. Remember, there's a Binance link in the description. It supports the channel. Make a Binance account. If you're in the United States, there's also a PureVPN link you can use in the description. Bella BTC, it's up 16% already. Now, what for you guys, what I'm looking at is this idea where, you know, if you got a retest down here, right, this would be a good retest to accumulate on. It looks like it already retested. This is a 12-hour chart. So essentially, you see this previous resistance. I mean, the price, the entire trend got rejected here. The entire trend got rejected here. That tells you, like, this is strong resistance. Well, you know what? It's going to be great support. So if this breaks through here and you get a retest, move higher, that would be a good retest to buy. You could buy the breakout of that level as well, but you want to zoom in to like an hourly time frame, find a pattern here. Gas, BTC, this thing is, there's not a whole lot of volume, but it sure is trying to move higher. I'm looking for, potentially you're going to see some good price action above this level. You know, this triangle. So part of buying a breakout is you want to see some good volume. I mean, this clearly is, you know, rounded bottom. Here we go. Bills are ready to get paid. Got bills? Find a rounded bottom, because these guys are epic. So, I mean, you got this pattern. I mean, these play out really well. It's always best to get in on a retest. Pause this screen. A lot of people are screenshotting these on YouTube and go and chart these, right? FLM. Again, inverse head and shoulders. These are epic. There's tons of upside here. Buy the breakout of this level. Some type of retest back down into this area would be epic. Even just a retest back down here. And then boom, move to the upside. Troy is running out of room. Okay, you got this bull pennant. Got this bull pennant right here. These triangles typically break out at about 75% full. Well, we're there. So anytime now, Troy, BTC could see a explosive move to the upside. Keep an eye on Troy. You notice how you got this parabolic, like this rounded bottom type situation here. And you got this huge move to the upside. Well, now here, I mean, this is a continuation pattern. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.